Hey there. So imagine you're working with a character vector in R, and you come across a little problem. The problem is that the string contains a couple of characters that form an escape sequence for a single quote. Not the end of the world, but definitely something you'd like to clean up. Now let's talk about the solution. Luckily, in R, there's a nifty function called stringi, stri_unescape_Unicode, that can come to the rescue. By using this function, you can transform that pesky escape sequence back into a simple quote character. How cool is that? In summary, when dealing with problematic escape sequences in your R strings, the stringi stri_unescape_Unicode function is here to save the day. Just apply it to your string, and voila, those unwanted characters disappear, leaving your string clean and tidy. Alright folks, that's all for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!